Yes guys, welcome back to our next video guys, and this is River Stream coming to you with a brand new video though. When I play for make video, look. So guess what this is guys? Curry chicken. Look on it. Curry chicken we're gonna do today, is it? So tonight cause now is a night cooking me I go now guys. Look on it. So this is how to cook curry chicken. So actually guys, we did wash it off with vinegar, lime, and the seasoning we use on it, natural one is scallion and thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, carrot, Irish, and jerk season, Jamaican jerk, the pack out one, and again, say Irish already, yeah. And then we put some curry on this. We put little curry on this. Just rub it on the meat. And then we go burn some in the pot. I'm gonna see. So guys, stay tuned here guys. And amateur fat, I go cook some vegetable on the side. Upon it guys. Well seasoned up already. And what I'm using this guys, this is a pop chow cut up with onion, scallion and thyme, garlic and ginger. And I'm going to steam this to make you see guys. And you think we're done yet? I have one fish I go fry up to side it, is it? So guys, enough thing me have so stay tuned. River Stream TV. Remember to like, share and subscribe guys, because sometimes I don't really like say somebody don't want to subscribe, but I forgot to subscribe sometimes. So I remember you. Yeah, River Stream TV guys. Oh. So stay tuned guys. Next time you see me, see the what? Pot on fire guys. Yes guys. Yes guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna burn some of the curry now. Burn enough still, can we put some on that already. Eat that guys. Yeah. Guys, funny. Yeah man, we were coming 50. Chewing the meat now. We make that burn look of it, don't make it burn for long now. That burn look of it, then I just chew it. Curry. Yes, yeah, look on it. Look on it. Really curry this, yeah. Yeah. So, the milk then go and cook now. I add little bit of water from it. Throw some water in this and add little bit from it if it want to cook now. After that, let's show in the season, guys. So stay tuned. Pretty yo. Yeah man. So neat, you know? River stream style. Jamaican style curry, look on it, yeah. Last look. Yeah man, so when I see my butter, see me I throw in the seas, in the water. Yes guys, we make a next little check back on it. Like look. See it guys. This was shrimp for chicken. So now I see time to throw in the season. So yes I give couple more seconds. Throw in the season. You see it? Yeah man. Really cool right there. Fire going. What is it? Okay. What? Oh. Yeah. This guy can show in the season. If I get on to Ireland and they throw a little bit of water from it. Don't know the thing go. Good look cake. That's the 2 and 1 thing, you know, we on one yeah. This is looking stronger. Yeah. Here in the freezer anymore, guys. Look at it. Look nice and it not done yet, guys. Look nice and it not done cooked yet. Oh. So guys, let's see what this you know, so I done it done. Stay tuned guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. River Stream TV. Yes guys, welcome back to the ending of the curry chicken. Cha-cha. Seeds. Cha-cha. No. What you want? This piece. One piece of it. Nice guys. So this done now guys, so it took a good. Yeah. Done this done now, so I'm going to try the fish now. Try the fish down now. I'm done fry the fish down, steam the pot throw. I'm done steam the pot throw, put on the flour, because you know so flour me will do on the yam guys. So like, share and subscribe. Channel Young and it's a grow virgin. Big thanks. Yes guys, so I'm sitting on the fish pot now, see it yeah? Make it well hot. Well hot. So I'm throwing the oil. I'm gonna leave the oil to get hot too guys. You know I can't use too much because the one fish may I fry. Cut it in half, one for my baby mother, one for me. So guys, we'll fry the fish down. Let the oil hot look first. Hot. We're gonna steam. So see the fish now guys. You know, make a throw look of black pepper on them and liquor, salt, and I hit that. So when them are fry guys, they see it. River stream style guys. Alright. Yes guys, so the season them chew up on the fish them. Black pepper and salt. Just chew in one first. Make the oil well hot guys. Well hot. See that? Yeah. Make sure it not stick and move it. Yes guys, so that's how we're going to fry. We're not in the video till them two fish are done fry guys. So watch it process. Mind the oil burning, mind the oil burning. And by the way guys, about 9 o'clock now. So I got to 10, so you know, so I will want to go on cooking, do more things. You see it. When I'm done eating food, I'm going to cool off all of bed. Eat and bed. Yes guys. Inside supper. Yeah. That's how we were seeing do it in the kitchen. The food would have fish or chicken guys. Yes guys, I'm going to soak. By the time I'm done soak now guys, I'll take him out. Throw in the next one. Need that guys. So now it's going to put on the top throw after this. Then after the top throw, I'll put on the flour, yam, banana. Nice meal guys. You just see my own getting me. Oh. Ow. This is my thumb. So look. Yes, my dad wanna fry fish, so you know, so then can't fry fish. We were seeing style, guys. guys. This is what it's doing. If I can get little more time, I'm not gonna listen. Get more time. Yeah, this is gun fish here, gun. You can get it in Jamaica, you can get it in foreign. Just like so, this one is done in now. It is fix them now. You know, the food so done. Now, bonus special or a rice, you know, and then some lemonade. Yes, guys. Check out this now. Take him out. Yes, him done now. Look on him. You know, look at him done. Yeah, man, him done. Put him down. Ship him in as well now, so guys, I'm going to take out the pot here. I know I'm going to steam the pop chow in this. So stay tuned, guys. When you see me, I see the pop chow. Now go. Yes, guys, welcome back. So now that's show you fish island. See that? Same island we use for the fish I eat, me we use and steam the pop chow. Now go, guys, look. See that? So we're just chewing this. Smell that? Nice, really. I'm gonna cook it all the time, yeah, guys. Just smell all the time. Food. Cover this now. Little time. I know the right cover that, man. Go for the right cover, guys. But give that little time. Add little water on it and then that done. Head on to the flour. Put a little more coal in that, guys. Look. Yeah, man. So when you see me, you see the flour come. No, when you see me, you see this done. Yes, you too. Welcome back. River stream, back at it. That's how it looks, guys. Stir it up. And by the way, maybe throw some water on it. Just a little, guys, not enough. That's it. It's so done. Make it go on steam. Look a bit more, guys. Look a bit more, make it go on steam, guys, because I like when my pop chow soft. So I'm going to make it steam. Look a bit more, take it off. chew on the flower pot. Yeah, see the flower pot, guys. Next time you see me, you know the flower pot, I promise you. Look and see. Yes, guys, I'm gonna set on the flower pot now. Chew a little salt tonight. Just start looking at now. Not good. When I see what the pot, guys, you know, say it's a bubble on the floor, I go in. So, Rivers Stream TV, guys, please to like, share, and subscribe. Enough love, enough respect. Cha-cha sees, cha-cha knows. Oh. Yes, guys, welcome back. So, this is the floor them already. And guys, I have to see with me. Couldn't get to show them the flower because don't have a tripod as yet, but promise I will show you some more video how I need the flower, make you see everything. So just see with me, guys. See there. I have a piece of yam. I have a piece of sweet potato. I have some banana. See it? Watch this, watch the inside. Yes, guys, so I'll peel them and put them in the pot. And then we just make them cook. So guys, I'll give you some more better video. So you can stay tuned to the channel that young and the video them will grow and the channel will grow. So remember to like, share and subscribe. So guys, we'll peel them now, throw them in the pot, and then you see it. Yes, guys, and we're throwing the food now. Food time. I'll leave the banana them for last, guys. Banana go last. I'm moving them at the bottom. You that, guys. Cut down big, you know, guys. Time when we lay up, see it. Make that go and cook now. And by the time I see it, that's the food I share, guys. So stay tuned for the sharing. Yes, guys, so the pot cold stove, actually the cold done, so I have to put it on the stove. So I'm throwing the banana them now. Yes, guys, so okay. sink them now to get in the bottom. Yes guys, I done this now. Yeah. So the banana them soft, dumpling soft, everything soft. Yes, please, I'm gonna share food. No, eat my food. So, so stay tuned, guys, and please to give me a thumbs up and share the video, guys. Please and thanks. Yes, guys, so stay tuned for the sharing. Yes, guys, I've done it done now. So, so these are the fish, capture, chicken, dumpling, sweet potato, banana, yam. The thing there, guys. Some juice. And this plum and carrot. Yes, guys, so we eat food and now.